If you want to activate Bixby on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you just have to find the Bixby app, which should be pre-installed on your phone. If you go over here on Bixby, if you open it, then if you do this for the first time, you will need to grant some permissions, which is pretty simple. And then you can start using Bixby afterwards. So we have the field where we can start writing our prompt. We can also use the microphone in order to say something out loud, so give a command to Bixby out loud. Also here, if you tap on these three dots in the upper left corner, three lines in the upper left corner, then we can proceed to settings right away. And in here we can, for example, manage voice registration, so you can activate the voice wake up command. There's also the language and voice style settings, and so on and so forth. So if you're looking for some additional settings, then be sure to check them out. One thing that I can mention though is if you go to the side button settings and in here choose the long press, then of course Bixby will not be set up by default, and instead you will be using the Google's digital assistant, which is Gemini by default, of course. So we can switch to Bixby if you prefer to use it. So if you press and hold the power button, you will actually activate Bixby instead of Gemini. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.